Hello students, let us study the continuation of lesson 5, Evolution of Mankind, part 3. Under this we will study Homo sapiens sapiens and their civilization. In part 3 we will study about the features of Homo sapiens and how they evolved to Homo sapiens sapien, and we will also learn about their civilization. Now let us study about Homo sapiens. This human species were more intelligent than the earlier human species. Hence they were called as Homo sapiens. The word Homo sapien is derived from the Latin word which means intelligent or intellectual man. The species were also named as Cro-Magnon man in Europe. Cro-Magnon man means tall and erect man. The remains or the fossil, that is the bones of this species, were found by the archaeologists in the continent of Europe, Asia and Africa. That means these human species used to live in these continents. Let us study the tools used by them. As we know, man needs tools and implements to make his life easy. Even in today's world, a woodcutter needs axe, a carpenter needs saw, a tailor needs sewing machine. Even in our day-to-day life, from safety pin to home appliances, we use it. It makes our life simple and easy. At that period of time also, man understood the need of tools which suited his daily needs. This species made tools of stone, wood and bones. They used to make stone blades and fix it on a groove or notches made in wood or bone handles. Let us learn the language used by them. This species had a fully developed larynx, which is a part inside the throat used to produce sound. They had a flexible tongue, flexible means which can move easily, and their jaws and the muscles inside the mouth were developed. And because of this man could produce variety of sound and modulate, that is change his voice the way he liked. Since the species were intelligent, using their imagination, they gave names to different things they saw. He was able to put his thoughts and feelings through words. Using these words, he could speak and communicate. They had a very well developed language system. Now let us study about the art and painting interest of Homo sapiens. This species were very artistic people. They were good at drawing pictures on the basis of their observation and imagination. Hence they were also called as thinking man. Now let us study the last content of this chapter, that is Homo sapiens sapien and their civilization. The present human appearance and health or the physical characteristics is similar to our ancestors. This type of similarities come from generation to generation. It is called as heredity. Genetics is a science that studies heredity. Hence, we modern human are called as Homo sapiens sapien. The capacity to think developed even further than that of the Homo sapiens. The capacity of modern man's brain and the grasping power also developed over a period of time. The genetic science research has found out that modern humans have inherited, that is received, some traits, some qualities, that is internal as well as the external quality of the Neanderthal man. Thus we can say the Neanderthal man and the Homo sapiens are both ancestors of us, that is the modern man or Homo sapiens sapien. Now let us study the civilization of Homo sapiens sapiens. What is the meaning of civilization? It means the process by which a society reaches or it progresses in a advanced level in terms of culture, the way of living, achievement, the customs, traditions, attire, eating habits, advancement of technology, etc. As we know, earlier man used to roam from one place to another place in search of food. Then later he started living in caves, but still he was not aware of the technique of producing food grain. But they used to wander from place to place to get food. But the Homo sapiens sapiens had a settled life because they learned the technique of producing food grains. They started cultivating the land and keeping animals. They understood animals were not just to hunt and eat, but some animals were useful for them in their day-to-day life. The Homo sapiens sapien had a well-developed brain. Hence, they were able to speed up the technology with time. For example, they started using animal to plow the land. They started growing food grains in the field, hence their intake of carbohydrate was also more. Carbohydrate is a substance found in food grains. Because of the change in diet and lifestyle, the appearance of this human also changed. The future generation had a smaller face and smaller body as compared to the earlier ones. The civilized man kept enhancing their life using their creativity, intelligence, and skills. And one of the main reasons for civilization in terms of technology and cultural development was because of the beginning of agriculture and domestication of animals.